A very good evening to everyone. Good evening, ma'am. First of all, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of everyone. So, I am an aviation student and I am also an IFA student. So, my name is Shucheta Purkait and I am honored to be here to speaking to you today about the importance of feminism. As a student, I believe that it is crucial that we understand and support the principles of feminism because it has a power to create a better future for us all. Feminism is about all genders having equal rights and opportunities. It is about positive force that seeks to create a world where everyone has equal rights and opportunities regardless of their gender. Feminism is not about putting men down, but rather it is about lifting women up and providing them with the same opportunities and rights that are afforded to men. Feminism is believed in the political, social and economical equality of women and men. We still need feminism today because women are constantly seen as the inferior of gender compared to the men, and even when we are at the top of our games. Feminism is not just about women's rights, it is about promoting healthy relationships and strong families by breaking down traditional gender roles and allowing everyone to be their authentic selves. With the origins in the 19th century, feminism has a lengthy history. If we look at the history, we see that women have fought for control over their own bodies, the rights to vote, the rights to own property, the rights to an education, the rights to receive these rights. Feminism are still address a variety of concerns today, such as gender wage gap, sexual harassment, and job discrimination. And if we look at the modern feminism, we see that how feminism involves in the life-altering campaigns. For instance, campaigns that support the unwanted pregnancy and reproductive rights and allow women to have freedom of choice. This implies that women need to have equal access to opportunities like healthcare and education as do men. The drawback of feminism is that some people view that it is being too radical or extremist, but they don't think women should have greater rights than men, or they think feminism reducing the rights male should have. Most importantly, it is very essential for young people to get involved in the feminist movement because this way we can achieve the faster results. It is no less than a dream to live a world with a full of equality. It is not just important for women, it is for every sex, gender, caste and more. It empowers the people and society as a whole. A very common misconception is that only women can be feminist, but it is absolutely wrong. Feminism does not mean only women. It strives for equality of sexes, not its superiority of women. And feminism takes gender role when it is around many years. It tries to deconstruct them. And lastly, the conclusion is that the key message of feminism must be highlighted to the choice of being personal feminism. It is to recognize others' rights for doing some same thing. The sad part of despite feminism being a strong movement, there are still parts in the world where inequality and exploitation of women takes places. So this we must try to practice the intersectional feminism. So that's all. Thank you.